My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is October 23rd, 2021, and Bitcoin is looking tricky. All right, that's the operative word of the day. I'm here today joined with my son Nicholas. He's listening to music. He may make some noise. Don't mind him. Today, I'm going to be talking about what Bitcoin's doing in the immediate short term and in the longer sort of time frame. Okay, what you can expect, what I'm seeing on the charts, and what still puzzles me, right? What I'm still kind of confused by. So first, let's start zoomed out on the 4-hourly time frame. We see our ascending channel. If you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know that we've been tracking the price within this teal channel for quite some time. And we all know that as long as Bitcoin maintained the integrity of this channel, we were going to continue our uptrend, right? However, we broke the channel and we fell below the 21 exponential moving average. If you're subscribed to this channel, you'll know that the 21 exponential moving average usually denotes an uptrend if the price is above it on a larger time frame. If you're below it, it usually denotes a downtrend, right? So we broke the support of the 21 EMA, and we found support on the blue EMA, which is the 55 on my charts, okay? And we actually lost support on the 55 EMA as well. So it's very likely, highly probable that the next EMA that we have on the charts, 144, is your next support, and that is around the 55K region. This is what we've been calling for some time. Now, we all know that we're in a downtrend. However, what does this look like exactly, right? For that, we need to zoom in. Okay, so let's go on the 15-minute time frame, and we can see that having lost support of the 21 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame and broken down, we all know, all the community members of this channel know that corrections happen in ABC patterns, right? This is something that we repeat every day, and this is basic Elliott wave theory. Now, the ABC that you see here, this is, let's draw it out really quickly. So this was the all-time high. This was the A wave. We knew from that we were going to get a B wave and the C wave. That ends right here. Let's change the color as to not confuse anybody. Let's make it hot pink. Let's make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so A, B, C, right? And the A wave, boom, B wave, it's counter to the A wave, and the C wave is basically 5 waves down, or 5 waves, right? So we counted that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the white count, right? And so your correction ended here. From there, what do you get after 5 waves down? We all know that you get another correction, which is an ABC, right? You always get, after 5 waves down, any impulse, you get an ABC correction. And so this is what we've been doing for the past 22 hours or so. We've been doing this ABC correction. And what's that look like? So A wave, the B wave complex, and one of the community members was asking about the triangle correction that you can see. So triangles are corrective patterns that you see in B waves, X waves, and 4 waves. And here you see it in a B wave, right? And I did a live stream really quickly showing that this one of these triangles on a small time frame denoting a continuation to the downside. Basically, it was showing that we were going to get this C wave. Remember, even in a B wave, it's all iterative, it's all fractal. So a B wave is also comprised of an A, B, C, okay? So in this B wave, so the A wave is up, you get the B wave, the A, B, C right there. So I hope everybody sees that. And I was basically pointing out how this, I think I called it a contracting triangle. It's more like a barrier triangle. And all these triangles, and let me turn off the magnet. All these triangles are in Nicolas, Papa est en train d'enregistrer. All these triangles happen in 5 waves, but they're happen in 5 parts comprised of 3 waves each. So A, B, C, D, E. So basically you would count A, B, C, D, E. All right. And then after that, actually, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, right there. And after that, it kind of broke out of this barrier triangle to give you your C wave of the B wave. Okay, I'm not going to get too far into the weeds on that, but that's basically what I was showing yesterday. And to the community member, Wakar, I think, who asked that, the best thing to do is, look these up because they're a little tricky, but they're very helpful to notice, right? All right, so you got your ABC correction. So once your ABC correction is finished, you can resume the trend. If the trend is down, which it was, then you will resume a downtrend. However, that's the question. This is what I don't know. Now that the C wave is finished, right? We've got A, B, C. Now that the C wave is finished, will Bitcoin continue the downtrend or will it print a reversal? And okay, here's the scenario. So let's go on the 45-minute time frame. 2 kind of scenarios. We all know that corrections happen in A, B, C patterns, right? If this was an A wave, then that means we need a B wave. So I think it's actually likely that we continue to consolidate and correct upwards for the B wave. That will be the relief rally up until so Bitcoin recently has been printing these B waves to about the 886 fibs. So about 66,000, okay? So my hunch is that we're going to get a relief rally to about 66,000, right? And then continue the downtrend, because you can't have corrections that are not in A, B, C patterns. Well, maybe you can, but price action tends to favor, or maybe you can't. I can't think actually of any correction that happened that wasn't an ABC correction. Even if it was a dump, you always get that kind of relief rally, even if it's a zigzag. So yeah, you can't have a correction that's not in an ABC pattern. So even if Bitcoin is dumping, it's going to have to print at some point in time a B wave, and that B wave, I believe, is going to come to 66K. That's what I foresee the price doing. And after which, it's going to reverse course again and visit our 53 to 55 region, okay? And let's just draw that out really quickly. So this is what I foresee. Let's turn the magnet on. This was our A wave, right? That completed here. I foresee a B wave to about here, and then a larger C wave to about here. So this is what I'm seeing. This is actually something I've been calling for quite some time on this channel. If you're subscribed, you will know this. But when you're trading, which I am, you kind of need the minutia. If you're on higher leverage and you're trading a step by step, and one of the hardest things to do is to kind of foresee or predict multiple steps all at once. So that's Bitcoin. That's the price action I'm seeing. This is the reason I'm not talking about alt. You can see how volatile everything is. It's super volatile. Even in this C wave, for instance, it went up about 2% in the span of 30 minutes, right? So like this is the kind of volatility that Bitcoin is experiencing now. So if you're trading alts, you're trading anything, be very careful. But I personally don't think it's a great time to enter altcoins or to enter any long positions because it seems to me that we're in the midst of a correction, and you may want to wait until the correction is complete and the C wave's complete. So that's Bitcoin, that's the market, that's my analysis. Hope that was helpful, hope that was useful. If you got value, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next week.